Today we are making buttermilk biscuits, and I learned this recipe from an American grandma on Facebook. These biscuits are especially good for breakfast. For this recipe, you'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, some salt. I have all the ingredients listed in the description box with their measurements. So go ahead and whisk the dry ingredients together. And then you'll use quarter cup of unsalted melted butter, 2 cups of buttermilk. Remember, you can make buttermilk at home just by mixing 1 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of either lemon juice or vinegar, white vinegar. So once you make your buttermilk, use 2 cups of that, add it to the mixture, and just whisk it or mix it until it's the lumps are gone, like so. And then you're gonna pour another quarter cup or half a stick of melted butter onto your baking tray, and then just swirl it to make sure that all the entire base is covered well. And then you're going to pour that butter onto the baking tray, and you're going to spread it out so that it's well distributed. A square pan would do this job even better, but I didn't have a square pan nearby, so I used this one, and the results were still awesome. If you have a square pan, divide this into 9 pieces rather than 6 like I did. Just use a knife or even your spatula and just make some cuts into shapes. They really get big, so I would say make 9 pieces, especially if you have a square pan. Bake it at 450 degrees for about 30 minutes or until done and the knife comes out clean. And here the buttermilk biscuits are done, and I'm just going to use a fork to break them apart. So in Kenya, we have something called mandazi. I guess if you're not from Kenya, it's almost the same recipe. We just don't use buttermilk. Anyway, here is one of the pieces, and it's really good with any type of jam. I used raspberry jam here, and it was really awesome. You can have this for breakfast. This is the end here, and I'm happy you're here. Thank you for coming. I'll see you in another video.